Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Subaru Impreza headlight bulb. First, ensure you have the correct replacement bulb, such as an H11 or 9005, and essential tools like a flat blade screwdriver and a 10mm socket. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the ignition for safety before beginning any work. Now, let's gain access to the headlight bulb. Begin by opening your Subaru Impreza's hood and securing it with the prop rod. You may need to remove an air intake duct or a plastic cover that obstructs the headlight assembly. Use a flat blade screwdriver to gently pry out any retaining clips holding these components in place, setting them aside carefully. With access clear, disconnect the electrical wiring harness from the old bulb by pressing its tab and pulling. Then, turn the bulb or its holder approximately 45 degrees counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Carefully remove the old bulb. When inserting the new bulb, align its 3 tabs with the housing slots, then turn it clockwise to lock it securely. Remember, avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands. You're almost done. Reconnect the electrical harness to the new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Now, reinstall any air ducts, covers, or clips that you removed earlier, making sure everything is secure. Finally, close the hood of your Subaru Impreza and switch on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. Great job, you've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.